Hi, my name is Talbot. I'm a teacher here at the ALC. I teach computer repair, computer workshop, networking, and cybersecurity. Many opportunities that we have here at the ALC. We allow students to have hands-on opportunities building and repairing computers. Also working with fiber and copper wire to build cables for networking. We offer several certifications. We have a certification for computer repair. We also have a certification in the networking class and also in the cybersecurity class. So if you take my classes, you can leave here with the 3 industry certifications. Cool things that we do, we have a class that we repair Chromebooks for the school district. So those Chromebooks that have been broken throughout the district, they come here, and students that have passed the computer repair class and are certified are able to go in there and fix those Chromebooks that have been broken by students in the district. Come take the class. We try to have fun. You can get certified in the industry, and you can also get some hands-on experience here at the ALC in my classes.